Well, hello model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Raul. And here, getting started into 2024, I'm going to show you some of the projects I have been working on, some of them I'd like to work on this year, and some of these you may have seen. Some of them have been on the channel or made brief appearances in a video or an update or whatever I'm doing at the time. But here's a few of them to start with. This is Iceman Collections. It says custom W10, but this is the Vector W8. This is the 3D print that he's done, quickly offered. This is something I really want to build. Looking forward to it. I don't know if I'll actually feature the build on the channel itself, but I do want to build one of these. So this may appear off to the side and be finished someday, but there are aspects of it that I do want to feature in a how-to, like how to deal with a 3D print, how to clean, how to prep, what to get started with. And we'll see. So who knows what videos this one will produce, but this is one that I do want to build. And this other one has been making some appearances on the channel, briefly. My 91 Mustang GT convertible, as I've kind of been playing with it and messing with the lights and tail lights and some of the other things here. But the body, I've shown you me making that hood, doing some of the body work to it. Lucas C's wheels right here that are, kind of like the Celine 5-star wheels. So I'm playing with those a little bit. Pony wheels, and then the wing that comes in this particular version. And I may do a few mods with this engine or whatnot, but there's a couple of parts that I also want to kit bash or modify from the Revell LX 5.0 drag car, which here's the box art for that. And anyway, do a few little things to it and build this one. So this is one that I do want to finish this year, and I've been kind of playing with it, but pretty excited about getting this one done. This one's kind of made an appearance here and there on the channel, but off to the side, I've been playing with the body work on it. Got the hood sanded, or roof sanded and smoothed out, and some of the putty work done. The hood has been filled in and kind of worked on that, and just some pre-assembly and playing with this thing. So I've got this one that I've been kind of want to do, but I'm not gonna keep it completely box stock. I'll play with it a little bit, as I got a couple of the dashes here, the dash it comes with, and then one of the previous versions dashes. So a couple of different variants here. So don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. Probably put a Hemi in it and not keep this 446 pack that it comes with. That's kind of a little bit goofy as far as it itself, but playing with this one a little bit. And then the latest version in 10, Hobby Nut Models, is sponsoring me. I've got a couple of kits coming from them, but not in my hands yet. So of course they're a sponsor, and there'll be a link in the video description below. But the 71 Demon is going to be coming from them, and the newest version of this for me to look at, and everything in the tin, which is pretty much the same kit as this, that I understand, but I'll be reviewing that and checking that out. Also, of course, this one has been making appearances on the channel, my Golden Commandos, and working on it, of course, and it's pretty far along, so this one's going to be done here real soon. So this one's going and will be one of the first ones finished this year. Also got this project. Been kind of playing with it. This is my 57 Cameo. I really haven't shown this on the channel, but been working on it. Many things done. Got some interior work to do. Chassis and engine are pretty much done and ready. But just playing around with this one, and now that other than the foil, I'll compare this to the windshield fit issue that I did a video on a long time ago. But been kind of building this one and playing with this one off to the side. So this one's kind of going along. Again, just something I'm playing with. And here's another one that I built a long time ago as a kid or early teenager. And while the original build didn't survive, I did enjoy building it, and I just love the slant nose look of these. And I had a few of these, but due to other YouTubers doing a Porsche group build, and it's kind of fun to watch and see some of those videos, I kind of started my own, but this was off to the side, just kind of playing with it. But here's some of the components and everything, working on the chassis, getting some of this other stuff painted and ready. Engine's actually built and done. And along with it, I did paint the body. So the body's painted and cleared. And pretty much this part is ready. So got that. And of course the whale tail, that's ready, painted and cleared. So liking how this came out, but it hasn't been a real big priority. So it's been kind of sitting also. It'll get its turn, but it's pretty far along. This is also from Hobby Nut Models, as I've shown this on the channel as well. And I do want to get started on this one, but one of the things I want to do is do a vinyl top on this. So I want to do a how to do a vinyl top from the very beginning, from adding the moldings and everything to the body. So I do kind of want to do that to this, and I'll film every step of it from the very beginning of scratch, and then jump ahead to once this paint and body work is already done and clear coated, and then I paint all of that. So this will do a full vinyl top how to on it, and I'll be doing with this kit. And then also something else, just to change it up a little bit. Z-Force Model Works has the standard grill, so I wanted to add that to it as well. So I picked that up. So that's in here, and one of the projects that's gonna come down the pipeline, but I'm not gonna do a whole lot to this, just kind of build it and enjoy it. But again, this kit came from Hobby Nut Models as well as a review sample, and this will get some more attention this year on this one, so I'll get this one going as well. Here's another one that's kind of a restoration. It's really not what's in the box. This is my 67 Mustang GTA 390. It's got some resin parts from Replicas and Miniatures of Maryland. So if you recognize the resin parts on here, the rib tail panel, the fitting scoops here on the side. Then I've done some work to this. So this thing's getting really close to paint and body work, out of the rocker trim. But yeah, I've done a bit to it here and there. So engine's kind of been worked. It was a previously built one, so it's kind of a restoration, kind of not. So that's in here, and I want to get this one done this year. I got some big plans for this one. And then one of the other ones, this one was a parts kit that Mark at Hobby Nut Models sent me as well. And it really wasn't missing much anything, and I had another parts kit that had the remaining components. So I started playing with it a little bit. So got the 396 engine put together, started playing with it, was mating up the hood from the wagon kit, because I had the wagon kit with the SS hood. So put the SS hood on it, and I was going to remove this emblem, add the SS emblems, do the foil casting thing on this one as well, and just kind of make a Phantom SS El Camino as kind of a custom. So I did a little bit of the body work, made sure the hood fit, and playing with it, and just playing with some wheels and tires kind of for a day two look as well. So that's what's going on with this one. Just been kind of playing around with it, wasn't too serious about it, but kind of liking where this one is going, and kind of want to do some sort of two-tone custom paint job on it. Something kind of 70s, late 60s, early 70s. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do on this as far as paint work goes, but I've got a lot of strange ideas, but we'll see where this one goes, because it's, when I really get going on it, it might be interesting to see what happens with it. So that's kind of the main ones in here I wanted to throw out there and show you guys as this stuff gets built on and expanded upon as I do these, and maybe another race car or two, another resin kit or restoration, squeeze some other things in. We'll see what the future of the channel holds for some of that stuff. So just kind of giving you a peek of things that I'm playing around, that are bouncing around on my desk, so you guys can see what's going on and see what could be coming down, and some of the other new releases as well that'll probably interrupt some of these projects, as that's kind of how some of these went as well, just kind of filler as I'm playing around with it. As I jump from project to project, as I give myself no real deadline and just really enjoy building these and collecting them and dreaming about how they're going to be built. But anyway, that's kind of do it for this particular episode, and we'll see what new surprises and things happen this year. As some things don't always go to plan, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in and all your support, and checking out our sponsors again in the link in the video description below. I really appreciate that, and all your support and comments and everything. It's just a lot of fun building for you guys and showing you what I do, and the builds that I accomplish and everything that I just enjoy building. So you guys, again, just encourage you guys to have fun. Don't beat yourself up on some of these kits. Some of them are more challenging than others. Some builds kind of go off on their own and do their own thing, as they don't have to be built out of the box. But that's entirely up to you and whatever you're wanting to build and your level of creativity as far as that goes. So you guys, thanks again for tuning in, subscribing, and all of your comments. I really do appreciate it. And you guys, you have a wonderful year, a new year and everything, and I will see you next time.